Hello, my name is John Gentasio. I want to shoot this video real quick with some tips and tricks to help you guys with your online presence. I actually noticed I sent you guys a message on Instagram and Facebook, so I'm sorry about that. But without further ado, I'll get right into it. So, I noticed you guys are running Instagram and Facebook ads, which are good. They can work pretty well. But the thing about Facebook and Instagram ads is that you have to convert the client through catching their attention, while Google is people buyer intent searching. So someone on Google is searching for a window tinter near me, while someone on Instagram might have an interest in your thing, but you have to give them a deal or something for them to do it with you. While on Google, it's just someone searching for your service. So the results and the conversions are much better on Google. Um, if you're in an area with a high population, which you are, I think your population is about 600,000. Anything over 100,000 is really good to go on Google. Places with under 100,000, I like to go with Instagram and Facebook. But since you're in a big area, it's really good to go with Google, and I'll show you how you can do that. So there's three things that matter with getting yourself to the top of Google, and that is by content, citations, and backlinks on a website. So I'll explain it as I go along. So I don't know if you have a website. I don't see it right here. I see you have a Google business page, but content is anything on a website like this, word related, pictures, and what they're saved as. Google likes to see anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 words of content on a homepage, and the reason for this is so that you can fit in buyer intent keywords such as window tinting, Franzo, California, stuff like that. So anything with your service with a location is a buyer intent local keyword, stuff you want to be ranked for, and you want to have that much content so you provide the most value for the searcher on Google, and to fit those keywords in and not look spammy. So if you ever notice, Wikipedia always shows up number one if you search anything non-service related. Sometimes even service related, Wikipedia will show up. And the reason for that is because they have thousands and thousands of words of content, and Google is matching them with the user because they provide the most value. So it's the same thing with the service-based. So if someone's searching for window tinting near me or window tinters, anything about window tinting, and you show up, your chances of converting them are very high if you're on number one of Google. So content, and the next one's backlinks. So backlinks is a mention of this URL inside of another website, blog post, anywhere on the web. So what it does is pass power from where it's located. So if it's on another window tinting website, it passes power to yours, and that shows Google that, hey, this is a trusted website. Google puts you higher up on Google. So the more niche related the places you put it in is going to really help you. So if you put inside, say, a pizza place, although the pizza place might have a good website, it's not going to help you because Google reads what's on a website. It's reading about how to cook a pizza, goes on your page, and how to tint a window, how to restore headlight. It's not going to help you. But if you're inside of anything car industry related, it's going to really help you. So that's backlinks. So Wikipedia has all those blue highlighted words. Those are backlinks with anchor text of keywords. So you can do that. You click on those and they go to another website generally, or another Wikipedia page, which goes to another website. So they're interlinking everything, and that's telling Google, hey, this is a trusted website, passing power, and higher up on Google. So that's how Wikipedia always shows up, and it's same for the service-based industry. So these guys, Tint Master, they're number one organically in your area for window tinting, and see they have lots of content. They could add some more, but it wouldn't be too hard to beat them out. These guys, they're the top detailers in your area, so they have a lot of content, nice looking website. I have this tool called Ahrefs. It kind of tells you what's going on in the background of a website, but these guys currently that says they're bringing about 400. It could be up to 10 times that amount. The background of their website's not too good, so it wouldn't be too hard to beat them. So window tinting, see, this gets 1,300 searches a month. Like, to rank for that, you'd be bringing in so much business. Here's another one with 100 searches a month, and then this guy, he's bringing almost 500. Take a look at their keywords. Franzo car detailing, 600 searches a month. Franzo car detailing, detail, like all these are good keywords that you want to be ranking for. 600 searches a month, so that's a lot right there. So if I go into Google My Business, here's one of my clients I have right here in Detroit where I'm at, and last month he brought in about 260 leads just from his Google business page. So the difference between Google business and website is they're coming right to here and they're just saying call. So he's getting that just from his, see right here, he's got 125 in the last 15 days just from here to here. That's just from his Google business page. That's not including his website, which is almost at the top of Google now. So if you search Detroit, Detroit window tinting, here he is, right here, Solar Shades window tinting. He's #1 on Google. So that's why he's bringing in so many calls. And here he is, he's #3 right now. So he's almost at the top. It's only been a month and he's already up there. So he's bringing in so many leads, and that's all organic without even paying Google per month. So and then I'll get into it. So now here's the ad side. So the ad side is very good too. So I have this client right here. He's just September 6th through 8th of this month. He brought in 31 leads for $180 at $5 a lead. So that's pretty good. That's car wrapping leads, window tinting leads. Like $5 a lead is pretty good. And he's right up there. If you search in Rockville, Maryland, like he shows right up there on the top of Google through an ad. So if I show you here, there is where am I? Sorry. So if you were to search car detailing Fresno, California, there's usually ads up here. I have an ad blocker on, so it didn't show up. There's ads, there's Google Business, and then there's organic. So you want to get up here in ads. So ads. So when you're up here in ads, what it does is it shows trust on Google. Someone sees you there, here, and here, they're gonna be like, dang, this guy's a big guy. So that's how it works. 80% of people click on the top 3. So if you're here, here, and here, you're gonna get almost all 80% of those people clicking on your website if you have all that. So what you do is you have a Google business page like this. I mean, landing page. So this is a landing page. It's not a website. I mean, it is a website, but it's a landing page. So it has no navigation. So you go here, press prices, right here. Like it doesn't go anywhere but scroll down. So this is a landing page. What it does is it helps with Google. It matches it with the searcher on Google. So Google Ads likes to see a landing page with a quality score. So the higher quality score you have, the cheaper the leads are. So that's why you want to have them go here so people don't get lost on your website. Click here, it goes to their call. Like it's easy to navigate. It's all about click on and just send the guy a quote instead of just going navigating through a crazy website. So it's just a landing page. It's just a page on a website. So yeah, that's ads. So I mean, ads are really good. You can bring in tons of leads. You spend money, but you make money, you know. And then there's the organic side, which is all you just once you're up at the top of Google, it's free. Like you're not paying anything to be at the top of Google once you're up there. And then yeah, so the last one was citations. So citations is a mention of your name, address, and phone number throughout directories. So where am I? Lost. So that's gonna get you in this map pack right here. So name, address, phone number throughout directories. So that's a directory like Yelp, Angie's List. So Yelp is #1 here actually. So you just put your name, address, phone number in places like that, and you're gonna show up here. So if your competitor has 50, you add 100. I always like to triple it, so 150 would be good. But the way they're up there is because they have so many citations. They're answering reviews, so you always want to be answering reviews, and then you want to questions and answers right here. The most common questions you get asked, ask them and answer them yourself. See right here, you can ask the question yourself and you can answer it, and be posting pictures constantly. So Google likes to see relevancy on Google. So if you're active on Google, Google's going to show you up higher, and if it sees that you're doing it, it's going to keep you up there, and you're going to keep on bringing in results. So it's really good to be up there. You can take this video and take these tips and tricks, do them yourself if you like. If you need help, I can help you out. Just let me know. Yeah, this video has a lot of tips, so just let me know what you think. God bless. Bye bye.